In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a connected project management hub. Start by opening Notion and going to the Getting Started page. This is a good launch point because it helps you orient yourself in the workspace before you add anything new. Once you are there, find and click Explore. Explore takes you into Notion's template and marketplace area where you can quickly install systems that are already structured and linked together. Next, click Search. In the search field, type Highlight. As you type, you will see results begin to narrow, but to make sure you are seeing the full list, click Show All Search Results. This helps you avoid missing the exact template you need. From the results page, locate and click Project Management Hub. This should open the template listing where you can review what is included. On this page, click the highlighted option that lets you add or duplicate the template into your own Notion workspace. When Notion asks where to place it, choose your workspace from the list. Select your main space so the hub is easy to find later and can connect naturally with the rest of your pages. Continue by clicking through the highlighted confirmation prompts to complete the duplication. After the template is added, click Project Management Hub to open it. Now you will explore the hub so you understand how everything is connected. Click Project Management Hub again inside the page to make sure you are at the main home area. Then click Project Dashboard. This is where you will typically get a quick overview of active projects, priorities, and status at a glance. Click Project Dashboard once more to fully open and focus that section. Next, click Project Template. This is the standardized layout you will use when starting new projects, which keeps your team consistent and reduces setup time. Then click Task Management. This is where tasks live, and it is usually linked back to projects, so progress rolls up to your dashboard automatically. After that, click Team and Stakeholders. This section helps you keep track of who is involved, ownership, and communication lines. Then click Project Metrics to view reporting and measurable progress indicators. Finally, click Meeting Notes. Use this area to capture decisions and action items so they stay connected to the work. And that covers everything you need to know.